Dan and Christine, an American guy and a Canadian gal. We met in 2015 sitting in front of the Magic Shop on Main Street, USA in Disneyland, California, our home away from home. Follow along with us, our adventure dog Talia, and her nervous big sister Tika as we enjoy life's adventures.
Hey, good morning. We are back at DCA, Disney's California Adventure. And what are we doing today?
Today we're going to show you some front seat point of views for the two roller coasters in California Adventure, the Incredicoaster and Goofy Sky School.
Yes, and maybe we'll do a little critique after we ride them also. Just for those of you that have never been on them, you can check it out and see if it's something you might want to do.
Yeah.
All right, so what do you think?
Let's ride!
Let's go.
And it feels just like you want me to go now, but I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down, cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that, just like that, like me like that, just like that, like me like that.
Shoulder restraint until it locks in place. Keep your head firmly against the headrest and remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Now, keep your eye on Jack Jack. No problem, darling. And the baby is gone. Edna?
Josh, go get it!
Mr. Crumble. Like that? Face forward and hold on. 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
try to keep the shot the entire way.
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from. You're on my mind, and you know I'm broken, but you're not the kind on my mind, so listen. I'm on the run, afraid of heights, and too much for sound. But oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to call me.
Wow, that was crazy. Yeah, it's not one of my favorite rides. I mean, I'll do it once. If you've seen some of our other videos, I don't know, I get queasy again. So my age gets into me, but Christine loves it. She's got a few hard facts on it. So what do you got?
Yeah. So first of all, I had a great time. I do love it, though I feel a bit nervous right before I start. And that's because it is the fastest ride in the Disneyland Resort. So this ride goes from 0 to 55 in 4 seconds. You hear a little countdown. You hear
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
That's what you hear.
yeah, and then you take off. So you get thrown back in your seat pretty good. There's some pretty significant G-forces on there. And you go racing up that first hill to start off the ride. The Incredicoaster is the tallest roller coaster in Disneyland parks. It's 122 feet tall.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's a big one, and it has one inversion or one loop-de-loop, and it will give you 4.3 Gs. Other exciting feature is some nice big drops where you feel like you're just literally plunging towards the ground. There is a 108-foot drop, so that's pretty exciting for those of you who like that kind of thing.
Yeah, I like that part. I just don't like the inversion anymore.
Yeah.
I like the drops.
Yeah, and you know what? It alternates between some G-forces and not. So you get some breaks in between. It's not all G-forces all the time. So.
I think there's positive and negative G-forces. But we're not physicists, so
Yeah, I don't know the difference.
we're not Sheldon Cooper.
I'm a physicist. I have a working knowledge of the entire universe and everything it contains.
All right, that's cool, man. Let's head on. Let's go do
Yeah.
Goofy Sky School, shall we?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
You're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. You're another kind. Another kind. I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy in
right. That was Goofy's Sky School. That was fun, huh?
Yeah, it was so fun.
Yes.
I love that ride.
Yes, and let's go, fact checker.
Fun fact. Okay, so this
facts.
ride is based on a 1940s cartoon short called Goofy's Glider.
Yes, we'll leave a link down below. So if you want to watch that little
Get you
short,
interested.
yeah, get you interested. So
Yeah, and it's a fun little ride. It's kind of scary because the front of the cart is ahead of the wheel. So as you're going around and doing those crazy turns, it almost feels like you're going to go off the front, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's the front edge of the car is
Yes.
looks like about 2 feet in front of the actual first set of wheels.
Wheels are in the center.
So yeah. And what else? What else you got?
Also, there's 2 pretty good dips. They're nice little dips in there. You can hear
Yeah.
people are enjoying themselves.
Yes.
It's a short ride. It's only 90 seconds, but
It's
a
fun.
good ride. Yeah.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Your kids will love it.
Yeah. All right. We hope you enjoyed these 2 POVs. And
If you enjoyed these videos, please give us a like and also let us know in the comments what other rides you would like to see point of view videos on.
yes, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, again, too, if you enjoyed these, watch some of our other videos. We'd really appreciate it. We have a lot of other Disney stuff on there and some other different adventures.
And there's going to be a lot more to come. We're planning out a lot more fun stuff.
Yes. So hit that like button, subscribe please, hit that notification bell, and
We're happy you followed along today.
yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later. Bye.
It won't be easy, but say you'll remember me. Let's stay here in this moment, pretend that we're not broken, and kiss me.
Hang on, timeout.
I just poo-pooed.
Did he really? Did you leave it? You leave us a little present? Huh? Did you leave us a present? They both left a present.
Shortness strikes again.
What's that?
That my shortness strikes again.
Sorry. Oh, lovers. Let me see your face. Whoa!
0 to 4 seconds, or from, 0 to 4 seconds, 55 miles an hour, you race
0
up.
to 55 in 4 seconds.
Yes. Whoops.
Sorry, help you out a little bit.
Okay. Do that again.
But before you